kill that fat. Top 11. 1. Look at your body and realize it's time to change. You don't want to get any fatter, do you? 2. Throw away the fat snacks like chips, candy, cupcakes, soda and cookies. And ditch the dairy, grains and high carbs for a few weeks. 3. Notice how the cravings you have are addictive. Break your addiction. 4. Replace your bad foods with healthy alternatives. 5. Be optimistic. No one gets skinnery being a negative Nelly. 6. Record your progress, you will see how fast you can change your body. 7. Don't be a weakling pussy. You know you can do it. 8. Every time you have a craving, stuff your face with steamed broccoli. 9. Do stretching, exercise or kung fu karate every day. 10. Stay hydrated. Every time you even think of cheating, drink a whole bottle of water. 11. When you keep to a repetitive routine and healthy food choices, you become superhuman. Try it, and kill that fat. Have a wonderful day.